Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both apps. Make sure you run the Discord desktop client, not the browser version, because Rich Presence requires the desktop IPC. Next, install a reliable VS Code Rich Presence extension from the editor's marketplace and enable it. Once done, open the workspace or file you want displayed and reload VS Code so the extension initializes. Make sure Discord is signed into the same account you expect to display activity on, and keep both applications running while you continue. Now configure the extension so Discord shows meaningful details. Open VS Code settings for the extension and pick the items to broadcast: workspace name, current file, language, or custom status text. Once done, save settings and ensure the extension's client ID or built-in integration is active. Make sure Discord's user settings activity privacy lets others see your activity. Toggle display current activity as a status if it's off. Finally, give the extension a moment to register with Discord's client so the presence appears. Finish by verifying the status on your Discord profile. Open your profile or a friend's view to confirm the VS Code activity appears. If it does not, restart both applications and then check for common blockers: the web Discord client, strict firewall rules, or antivirus interference. If problems persist, run VS Code with elevated permissions or reinstall the extension and reauthorize it, and make sure no other app is hijacking Rich Presence. One key tip: always use the desktop Discord client. Browser won't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.